today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report Etsy listing. Whether you've spotted a prohibited product, misleading claims, or content that violates Etsy's policies, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to say so your report is clear and helpful. First, head to Etsy in your web browser or the Etsy app. Make sure you're on the correct marketplace homepage. Then navigate to the listing you want to report. You can get there from search results, your recently viewed items, or a saved favorite. Open the product page so you're looking at the full listing. For the most seamless experience, make sure you're logged into your account so your report can be submitted without interruption. On the listing page, scroll past the photos and description until you see the small link that says, "Report this item to Etsy." It's easy to miss, so take your time and look near the lower area of the page where additional details and policies appear. Click that link to open the reporting flow. You'll see a prompt to choose a reason. Click the menu labeled Choose a Reason and pick the category that best matches the issue you've observed. Categories can include things like prohibited items, intellectual property problems, or misrepresentation. If you're unsure, pick the closest match. You can clarify in the next step. Next, provide more details. Use clear, neutral language. Briefly explain what's wrong and where you saw it on the page. If the issue appears in specific photos or variations, mention those. Keep it factual and concise. Avoid speculation or personal commentary. Avoid sharing personal information. Focus on the facts visible on the page and why they conflict with Etsy's guidelines. You may be asked to select a more specific option after choosing your main reason. Select the option that most accurately describes the problem, because it helps Etsy route your report to the right team. When you're ready, click Next to continue. This brings you to the final confirmation screen. Here, add your reason for reporting this item in the text area if it appears again, and review your summary. This is your chance to make sure everything is clear and complete. If something looks off, go back and adjust your selections or wording. When you're satisfied, click Submit Report. After submitting, Etsy will review the information and take action if the listing breaks their policies. You may not receive an individual follow-up, but your report helps keep the marketplace safe and trustworthy. Your careful, accurate report makes it easier for moderators to respond quickly